Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone doesn't ring on incoming calls. So let's get started. Very first thing, of course, really simple, is make sure your phone is not on silent mode. Basically, if you see a bell with the slash icon, it's in silent mode. So on a newer phone, usually this button, if you press and hold, the ringer option will appear. And you could also use the volume up to make sure your volume is up and it's not low where you can't hear it. So turn the volume all the way up. Now, if you have an older phone, you might see a toggle. Make sure the toggle is upward so that it can also ring. Now, other thing you want to do is go into your setting, and then from there on, we're going to go ahead into sounds and haptics. Now, in the sounds and haptics is also the silent mode. So if it's in silent mode, you want to turn that off again. And then you want to also adjust this ringer setting here. So you want to make sure it is turned all the way up or to a level you can hear. Sometimes if it's a little low, you may not hear it, although it is ringing. So that's going to be another thing to do. Now, after you have checked that, the next thing you're going to go ahead and check out is that focus mode. So in your setting, you'll notice here there is option for focus mode. Make sure you're not on do not disturb any of the focus mode. You can also do it from the top here. For example, if I put do not disturb here, right, it's not going to give me any alert. I need to go ahead and turn off do not disturb or any of these focus mode, or delete them if it's interrupting your phone calls. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to make sure you check is that the phone call are not getting silenced. So on the newer update, if you go into your setting and then go to apps and then go to phone, so let's go ahead into the phone option. And if you go down a little bit further here under phone screening of unknown callers, if it's silent, for example, it's basically going to silent it. It's not going to ring. So you either want to do never or ask for a reason for calling. But if it's silent, and along with that, you also might want to consider looking at unknown caller filter. If you have this on, basically going to filter any phone call that comes from a number that is not listed in your contacts, which is going to basically not ring. So you want to make sure you turn that off. Any other filter as well, you want to check it out. Now, another thing you also want to check out is that you want to make sure your phone is not connected to a Bluetooth external device where the ringing might be going to that Bluetooth. So in your Bluetooth setting, a quick thing to do is just turning it off and then testing it out. And if it does, if you turn it on and you see it gets connected to external, maybe speaker or like a car play or something like that, it may be just going to there. That's why it's not ringing on your phone. Now, if you're still having the issue, you're going to go ahead and check out basically if you have any call forwarding turned on. So in your phone setting under apps, you're gonna make sure you don't have any call forwarding turned on. So you can go to a phone. If your phone has a call forwarding option, it's going to be listed here. This one doesn't have a call forwarding, but if you do, you want to check that. Other thing you want to check is calls on other devices. That means basically if you have multiple devices, whether other iPhones or another iPad, MacBook, they are allowing calls to go through that device instead of here. So you might want to turn that setting off as well. Now, let's say you did all of this and still having an issue. The next thing to do is just simply restarting your phone. You can do that using the volume up and the side button. Just press and hold and then turn it off and then on again. You can also do it by pulling the top menu. There's a power option up here as well. You can just go ahead and click on that, press it, hold, slide to turn it off, and then turn it back on. Now, if you're still having an issue, you're going to go ahead and update your phone software. So in your setting, right, go to General, Software Update, and then update to the latest version. Sometimes previous update might be causing issues with the phone not ringing. You're going to go ahead and check that out. Now, once you update your phone to the latest version, the next thing you're going to do is in your setting, go to General, and then this time we're going to go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. You're going to click on Reset, and you want to do a network reset of that settings. Now, network reset will just reset network setting related settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and such, but it will not delete any of your data. So all of your data is safe, but important step to do if you simply can't get it to ring and stuff. Now, let's say you did all of this troubleshooting and it still doesn't ring. You want to make sure with your carrier that your phone service is active and it is working. Sometimes if there's an issue with your account, maybe it's not active or they have something disabled, your phone calls are not coming through. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.